Conditional statements in Java. Following are the conditional statements: if, if-else, nested if, else if, logical, switch. Here is the syntax of if statement. Statement inside the curly braces of if executes when the condition is true. If the if statement's condition is true, the block of code inside the curly brackets of if statement is executed. If the if statement's condition is false, code inside curly brace of if statement is not executed and prints next statements. Let's see the example. As x is equal to 7 and condition is x greater than 54. 7 is not greater than 54. Since condition is false, hello statement is not printed. Output of the code is print if condition is false. Second, print if condition is false. Any of the comparison operators can be used with if statement to form the condition. Say, less than, greater than, not equal to, equality, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Here is an example. Equality can be used to compare two strings. Boolean is true since S1 and S2 have same content. Welcome to Happy Learning. Output of the program is both the strings are equal. Else is executed when if condition is false. Below is the example. The output is 30 as x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. Condition x greater than y and if statement is false and hence else statement is executed. We can use one if-else statement inside another if-else statement. Let's see an example. Here output prints hello as nested if satisfies the condition. We can nest as many if-else statements as we want. We can use else if statement to check multiple conditions. Conditions like greater than, less than, equal to. Here is an example below. Output prints I am not a robot as the condition age less than 100 is correct. We can include as many else if statements as we want. Another interesting topic is logical statements. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. Remember this table so you can output accordingly. Logical AND. See the below example. If the condition is true, output prints as C is big. If both operands of an operator are true, then condition becomes true. Same goes for OR operator. Logical NOT. Reverse the logical state of its operand. The expression means if A is not greater than 20. Output prints B since the condition is false. Switch is used for comparison between the variable and its list of case values. Take a look at this example. Output prints FEB. Since the month value and case value both are matching, it prints FEB. Each value is called a case. Default case is used when none of the case values are matched with variable value. So it prints default statement. See this below example. Since case values are not matching with variable value, it prints default statement that is happy learning. No break is needed in the default case as it's the last statement in the switch. Let's see another example. What is the output of the following code? Since b value does not match, that is 60 not equal to 120, default statement will execute and the program prints 10 as the output. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Happy learning!